Safety Talk 72. Safety and security. Words can have many meanings. It depends on who says them and how they are used. Let's take the word safety. We all know it. We're familiar with it. But what does it really mean? If you ask someone at a bank, they might say, a good bank account. If you ask a military general, they'll talk about weapons, aircraft, tanks, and strategic plans to stop enemy attacks. Ask a business person, and safety might mean strong sales, paid invoices, and reliable customers. But here in the workshop, or in the factory, do we think of safety the same way? Probably not. To us, safety means knowing how to avoid physical injuries that can affect us and our families. The biggest threat to our safety is accidents. Today, I want to talk about our safety. If you want to keep working and bring home your paycheck, you need to stay healthy. Nobody gets paid for being in the hospital. If you want your home to protect your family, you need to be there to care for it. But if an accident kills you or disables you permanently, who will earn the money? Who will pay the mortgage? Who will buy what your kids need for school? Following safety rules, the ones we all know, is the best life insurance you can get, and the cheapest. Ignoring them is the fastest way to destroy the safety you work so hard to build. You are all good workers. You are responsible citizens. You make sacrifices to achieve some kind of security for yourselves and your families. Some of you are still taking courses to improve your future. You pay for life insurance in case something happens, so your family has some financial security. Part of your paycheck goes into retirement, so that someday you can rest without financial worries. Now think about this. If material security is worth all those sacrifices, isn't your physical safety also worth something? Physical safety can be destroyed in a single accident, but protecting it doesn't require much. The effort is small compared to the reward. For example, taking a few extra seconds to do a job the right way instead of the fast, risky way. The bother of wearing safety glasses, even when it's uncomfortable, so you can see your kids tonight. Looking both ways before crossing a busy aisle in the plant. These aren't big things, but they make a big difference. And you've already received the message. If you haven't, a few more examples won't help. We call these things sacrifices. But are they really? Don't we make bigger sacrifices to look fancy for a party? We wear tight shoes just because they were expensive. We wear ties and jackets in the heat because we promised to go. And we don't even complain. So if protecting ourselves means making sacrifices, then let's make them. Because these sacrifices buy us real safety, physical safety, and that allows us to enjoy material security too. And here's the best part. You don't pay for physical safety. The company covers the cost of protective equipment and safety systems. All we need to do is follow the safety rules. Let's do our part. Let's follow safety so we can enjoy everything else we work so hard for.